Welcome to Car Coach Reports. This is 4 Minute Friday. I am Lauren Fix, and here's what's going on in your automotive world. Autopilot, Pravda, hydrogen trucks, the results of the Uber death, and a safety tip. Stay right with us. Let's put 4 minutes on the clock. Number one, two safety groups that support the automotive industry have petitioned the Federal Trade Commission, saying that the autopilot term that Tesla uses is deceptive and that consumers are believing that the vehicle actually drives itself. Now, these two safety groups really want to change the name because there really is no such thing as an autonomous car available to consumers today. Number two, Tesla is in the news again, and this time its CEO, Elon Musk, is very unhappy with the media because of the Consumer Reports Model 3 results of failing. That, of course, made a lot of news, a lot of social media, so he fired off a bunch of tweets. Now he has decided to copyright the trade name Pravda. Now, if you look that up, you will find that is a Russian newspaper, and he wants to start ranking journalists. I'm really looking forward to this. I am sure I will be ranked by Tesla. This should be quite amusing. The fact is there are a lot of people out there that are now saying that there are some issues with Tesla vehicles and the company, and the fact that they're not producing vehicles like they claim they would, and they tend to bring out a lot of big stories. Even financial institutions are saying, you know what, it's maybe time to give up on this company. We shall see how we are all ranked. I'm looking forward to it. Number three, hydrogen-powered tractor trailers. Now, this is a really great idea. They use it for a lot of buses, but now they're building an infrastructure. Anheuser-Busch, yes, the beer company, wants to start driving around hydrogen-powered trucks, and they will deliver and distribute their beer to their vendors. This is a very interesting idea because as it starts rolling out an infrastructure, more cars will become available, like they do in California. Those trucks would use the same routes that their current trucks use, but they'd be hydrogen powered, which is more environmentally friendly, because what comes out of the tailpipes? Water. And there's plenty of hydrogen available. So I'm looking forward to seeing the infrastructure built because this could change everything about the vehicles we drive down the road. Number four, the National Traffic Safety Board has given us the results of that death from the Uber vehicle that was going 40 miles an hour in Arizona. Sadly, the safety systems that are built into Volvo that make these vehicles very safe for pedestrians was disconnected. Uber disabled these safety features that are in the Volvo XC90 because they didn't want erratic behavior with their computer system. I don't think that would be the case. Volvo has some of the safest vehicles on the road, and disabling their safety features because Uber thought that their autonomous features were smarter, they're absolutely wrong. And unfortunately, the death of this woman in Arizona has caused that there will be no more testing in Arizona, and they're now testing in Pittsburgh and in California. So we shall see the future of Uber, but I'm sure this is going to be a big hit to their bottom line. And number five, a safety tip for this summer. As the temperatures rise, inside your vehicle will also get warmer. So on a 90-degree day, in just 1 hour, the temperature of your steering wheel can be over 190 degrees. It can get even hotter on your dashboard and your seats. Make sure to put a cover over the windshield, maybe even a beach blanket over the seat, especially if you have children in child safety seats. You don't want those hot buckles to burn that very delicate skin. Just remember, never leave elderly, children, or anyone in a car locked up with the vehicle off, especially pets. And if you do see someone in a vehicle or even a pet, make sure to try and find the owner, and if not, break a window, save a life. It makes a lot of sense. We want you to be safe this summer and enjoy the beautiful weather. This is what's going on in your automotive world. If you like what you see and you'd like to see more, make sure to subscribe and hit that little bell right next to it, and we'll notify you next time an episode is posted. Make sure to sign up for the Car Coach Reports, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.